Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be reviewing this 3-in-1 bamboo style Apple Watch charger with AirPods, AirPods dock charger, and MagSafe dock right here, or stand, whatever you want to call it. So first things first, let's go over the specs of this thing and the charging speeds. So on the watch charger, we do have 2 watts max. The AirPods are going to be 5 watts max, and the phone is going to be 15 watts max. So you do get your full MagSafe wireless charging speed on this stand. Now unfortunately I don't have my iPhone with me to demonstrate the iPhone on the MagSafe section, but I do have AirPods Pro 2 here, so as you can see they do sit up there on the MagSafe stand right there, no problem. But the actual watch charger is right down there below that, so you can wirelessly charge any pair of AirPods that have the wireless charging. And then you put your watch right here. Has a nice spot so you can loop your band around. If you have one of those bands that doesn't actually separate in the middle, you can still slide it over and charge it there, no problem. Like I said, the phone sits right up there. Excuse me. I don't think any of my Samsung devices will sit up here. They won't, but it'll look somewhat like that. The only issue I had using it with my iPhone was the slick wood, and the fact that it's only the one ring right here, doesn't have the alignment ring on the bottom, is sometimes the phone would like to tilt one side or the other. Now if it tilts to the left, it would just rest on the camera bump right here, but it would be slightly crooked. I haven't really seen a tabletop charger that has the alignment ring, so not really something that is something you can do much about, but just something I wanted to note. We do have a little LED on the front right here. It's red when it's powered but not charging anything, and then it turns white when it is charging a device. I noticed that the watch sometimes doesn't trigger it to change just because it's so low power, but the AirPods and the phone definitely will. And then on the back right there, we do have your USB-C input. It does come with a USB-C to C cable, so you can use that with an adapter of your choosing, or it'll even work with your iPhone's USB-C power brick if you have one of those laying around. I've been using this thing for like a month now before I did this video, and works great. I love it. I love putting my iPhone on here to use standby mode on iOS 17. For those of you not on the beta, you will understand how cool that is here in the next couple weeks when iOS 17 comes out to the public. But definitely one of these for the standby mode is a must. So check one out. I will leave the link down below in the description where you can pick one up on Amazon. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.